Are you struggling to create a captivating platformer game without extensive development time and resources? Building complex mechanics, designing engaging levels, and integrating monetization can be a daunting and time-consuming challenge. Imagine launching your next hit game faster with a polished, professional quality. Introducing the Color Merge Platformer Unity Game Template, your ultimate solution for a unique and ready-to-publish platformer. This comprehensive asset provides everything needed to create a visually stunning game from day one. Dive into a world where color is your primary mechanic for puzzle solving and navigation. Players strategically merge colors to pass through obstacles and interact with the environment. The template includes intuitive player controls for movement, jumping, and precise color changing, ensuring smooth gameplay. Experience the innovative color merging system, combining primary colors to unlock new hues and pathways. Each level is packed with interactive elements, challenging enemies, valuable collectibles, and dynamic obstacles. Level design is effortless with our modular system. Simply drag and drop prefabs to build intricate stages in minutes. Customize every aspect, from graphics and audio to UI and game progression, to match your unique vision. The entire project comes with clean, well-commented C# scripts, making modifications straightforward for all developers. It's optimized for performance and supports multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, and PC. Monetize effectively with built-in Unity ads and AdMob integration, alongside a robust in-game currency system. Offer players exciting skins and power-ups through a fully functional shop, enhancing replayability. The template also features localization support for global reach and leaderboard integration for competitive play. Benefit from detailed documentation, free updates, and dedicated support throughout your development journey. Stop dreaming and start creating your next successful platformer game today. Get the Color Merge Platformer Unity Game Template and transform your game development process. Unleash your creativity and build an unforgettable gaming experience with ease. Find the link to this powerful asset in the description below and elevate your game development now.